network is very much weak. Strength of the network is very much weak. So nevertheless, let's keep the hope, that everything goes as we planned. And today in the validity session, we will be having the vice chancellor from the University of Assam, and that is we call it Technical University, Assam Science Technical University, Guwahati. The university is from almost like 10 years ago. Since we do not have this technical university in Assam, so that's the government thought that let's make a technical university in every state, not in Assam. So that's the existence was there, but it was structurally formulated almost like 3 years or 3 to 4 years ago. Now all the technical university institute has to follow or affiliated to the technical university. So that gentleman is from the foreign base, the vice chancellor, but he is now based in Assam. Now he'll be looking after the technical education of the entire, Assam. He has been, experienced in plasma and, plasma technology, especially who would be interested, that you can have a certain conversation, not very in a formal way, but of course, sometime, that networking would be, explored here. So I believe, your journey with him will also be very good. Apart from that, yes, so sir is back. Probably the network not connecting. Hello, sir. Okay, until we got the connection established. So I'm very happy that, we have the very much heterogeneous participant here. Starting from, I'm very happy to say, from the Jammu and Kashmir and Jammu and now Ladakh. That's very excellent. Thank you so much for joining, sir. And also I'm very happy that, we have the participant from our concerned system state. This is really very motivating for us. Apart from our, of course, from Assam, from Assam Engineering College, from Jorhat Engineering College, and other, elite institute colleges. So thank you so much. Randu sir, am I audible to you? Hello, sir.
Sir, I think he has to do the call over audio, then only he can join. Otherwise, mic is off.
Oh, it's my. So I think then we can guide him right over the phone.
Yes, he has to
Or
do
what should we
call
do?
over audio and something. Call over internet, I think so. Tap there. Like.
Let me see. Sorry, participant. Wait for a minute.
Yeah.
কি হৈছে ছবিটোতো আহিছে
কোনটো
এইটো নহয় এইটো জুমতো আছে এইটো আহি আছে না
ইয়াত এইটো নহয় না
এইটো নহয় এই নহয় বুজোৱা নাই এইটো বুজোৱা নাই বটলটো চেক কৰিছিলো চব চেক
hello Hilal
Yes, sir.
is it audible
Yes, sir. He's audible. His video must be on so that we can see.
okay now 1 second video কিয় অহা নাই
এই দেখে মিছে এইটাকে তাতে কি মিলব
এটা নহব নেকি নাই না
ইয়াতো নাই না ইয়াত আছে
ইয়াত দিয়ক নহলে
জুম আছে ৰব এই জুম এদিন কিন্তু পাছ হয় থাকে অফিসে দেখুন পাছ হয় 88134250 734
hello Hilal
Yes, sir.
is audible right so is it visible also
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
please admit those people okay I'm admitting from here
Sir, it is not coming in.
so is it visible can you see him
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
you can see him right
Yes, sir.
please okay so now okay, so I'm very sorry, all the participants. A sincere apology, due to some technical glitch, that we are a little bit delayed. But nevertheless, everything would be in the line when we really wanted to do it. So may I request Ronaldo sir to please come live. Ronaldo sir, you can unmute yourself. Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, a very good morning, sir. You can put your, yes, sir. You can put your video also, sir. Okay, sir. Let me introduce.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's visible, sir. So let me explain you or about it just in 2 minutes. I would like to summarize, the activities so far we have taken place. This Unnat Bharat Abhiyan and start smart villages lab is like the tool or the astra, the Brahma Astra we call it for the to strengthen our villages. In this today program, you and one more speaker would be there, and today we are ending it. Let me tell you from day one. But day one we have a top the media leader, also the change social maker, and he's Mr. Talukdar, and then followed by we have a Sagar also, and then we have Dr. Saini, and then we have Professor Vijay, and then followed by yesterday day for yesterday we have our associator Professor Dole and Professor Covert. And thereafter we were into the line of discussing various aspect of this viral village rejuvenating. We have Professor Pant, and we have Mrs. Samir Orwa also. So this is the entire walk or the picture what we have done it. So sir, now I would like to request to be connected with this, and also help us to in order to understand the financial metric, how can the financial bank policy could be benefited to the people. Now can I request the team to please introduce the speaker of the day to other participants.
Hello.
Yes.
Wake up with determination, go to bed with satisfaction. A very warm good morning to one and all present here. Respected Mr. Ranindra Narzari sir, respected Dr. Medelson Ranghang sir, teachers and students from different colleges, and all my dear friends. Welcome to the 7th day of our 1-week online workshop cum seminar, Smart Villages by Intervention and Visible Solution, jointly organized by Smart Village Lab, Local Chapter, Unnat Bharat Abhiyan Unit, Vineshwar Brahma Engineering College and University of Melbourne. Today, this task of introducing our guest of honor is a great privilege. Mr. Ranindra Narzari sir qualified his BSc and joined in bank in 1993 as a clerk, later promoted in junior management grade scale JMGS 1 in 2001. Then in 2008, he got promoted as middle management grade scale MMGS 2, and in the year 2016, he was promoted to SMGS 4. He got posted in various places in Northeast Circle in various designations. Currently, he is the Chief Manager at State Bank of India, Kokrajhar. Thank you, sir. We are blessed that you are among us and fortunate enough to gain knowledge from you. Now, I would like to request Mr. Ranindra sir to further continue the session. Sir, over to you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I'm very sorry. Due to my this mobile, you need to wait and delete it. I'm very sorry for that. And very warm good morning to all of you. And at the outset, at the first beginning, I would like to thanks to Dr. Medelson and his Hello. Hello.
Yes, you are audible, sir.
Audible, no? Hello. I'm very, once again, sorry for that, as because actually my mobile sound is not coming out. So, hello, is it
Yes,
Yes,
audible?
yes, you are
Okay,
audible.
okay. So at the beginning, I would like to thank Dr. Ronghang and his teams to inviting me today and speaking about the bank's products, which are beneficial to public as well as the young generation. And at the beginning, before we got these products, I tried some things regarding how to get banking job as very important for the young people. In this group, a lot of days are there. So that's why I want to take the opportunity to share with them how to apply and what kind of book has to follow to get in the bank job. So this application has to be applied online. Nowadays it is there are 4 parts to pass the exam. So preparation exam books is there, and nowadays online this kind of guide book or guide mentor available, and young people can go to this bank abda, grad, olive, which are available on YouTube also. They can follow this. And banking examination, there are actually 4 parts.
All lines.
It's the preliminary exam. Second, main exam.
Pen kholo.
In the main exam, descriptive there. Other than this, all examinations are in objective. After completion of this mean, after passing out from the discussion and interview for the office, that means professional office, and will also same, but question is asked. In the preliminary, there are 3 parts. One is the English aptitude, reasoning, and quantitative aptitude. Total mark is 100, and what candidate has to be. Hello.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. You are audible. You can
What? Yeah. So, in the preliminary, there are 3 parts: English aptitude, reasoning, quantitative aptitude. Total 3, total mark 100, and one candidate has to pass out in this individually. Passing that, there is an exam. In the main, also 4 parts: English language, it is an objective; reasoning as a computer aptitude, and general awareness also, and quantitative aptitude is there. A total marks 100, and one candidate to be qualified in the 4 individually, separately, and one decision is there. Descriptive is 30 minutes, maybe 2 questions. I have to write letter writing like that. And last one is group discussion and review. So at this passing out, one person will get job in the bank. Here, I'd like to show more this debate after joining the bank. And you know all that this is in public domain, it's available how much salary they are getting. Apart from this, so for the officers, provincial officers, they are posting Indian as a foreign. Also the home curriculum, they are also getting chance to posting there in the foreign countries. And from curriculum to get officer, there are 2 parts. It's the normal officer, another is the training officers. But to get training officers, after becoming a professional officer in the bank, for requesting to all the employees to join in stocks, bankers, and finance. This IIB have two parts. One is the JIB, another is the CIB. Those who have this JIB, they are getting at one increment from that. And another CIB, Certified Associate Indian Bankers. After that also get extra another increment. That means 2 increment after passing this CIB. After passing, if clerical you have joined and spending 3 years, you are eligible for officer in trainee officer category. And there is a period, probation period for 2 years. So after completion 2 years, either probation officer or training officer have to be 18 exam, confirmation exam. And those who have secured more than 75% this exam, they are selected direct in investment grade category. So after completion 2 years, as a missionary officer, then you are getting promotion. And those who are as a clerical, they are also, after completion of this 2 years in promotion period in training, they are also become skill officer. Means middle grade 2. After 2, that means middle management grade 3, up 2.5 years to Y. That means within years you will be getting other skill. You will be important. The such promotion is going on. And in the foreign portion, there are parts. One is the in-junior officer. This is called VTO, Indian Business Training Officers. It is step in different countries for 2 years. And for senior men, skill 4 and above, they are getting IO, Indian Business Officers, posting in foreign countries for 4 years. So this kind of opportunity is there. So I have shared with you all. So now we'll go back to the focus points. This is products. Now I am going to all of you. I think many of you have already bank account. So having the, they have the ability to visit the banks. So I think I'm not required to say more about how to open the account or like that. So opening accounts, everyone knows. But I would like to share what is the main function of the, what is the range of? That is available in the public domain also. Main function is action deposit for the public and lending loan to the public. So this is the main from the bankers. So how to accept the deposit? Here is the opening of accounts. So how to open the account? Everyone knows nowadays, as per government instruction or RBI instruction, without KYC, nobody can open account. KYC means no customer, that means BD. Official document is required. Now PAN card is mandatory for the 18 years and below 10 years. Those who submit their PAN card also can open account. And opening account, now bank is licensed at instruction of the RBI, State Bank initiating some CSP, customer service points available in the rural or village areas to help the villagers to open the account. Those does not have a proper document, proper OBD, they also can open. But this kind of account, which is known as small account, these are temporary for 1 year. Within 1 year, those who have opened a small account, they have to open the proper document, that means PARs, Aadhaars, driver license, whatever will be there, that has to be submitted to them as a KYC. Then they can continue their accounts. So here the small account, actually it's open at the customer service point, which is available in the rural areas. They can open account, but they can transaction or limited number of transactions and amount. In this account, in a 30 month, they can withdraw maximum 10,000. Number of withdrawal also limitation is there at this point in a month. And that account balance should not be more 50,000 times. And maximum submission, deposit submission, total amount whole year should not be more than lakhs. So it is called small account. If somebody want to do that, they can convert this small account into normal account by finding all necessary documents, PAN cards, other cards, etc. They can do business like a normal bank account, or keeping bills as well as withdrawal transaction does not have a barrier. So this small account also converted into non account, as like open or offices, branch premises. Here, more like to here in this state, we have an era of the kids, small children, who their future become a region of these three, they can also open accounts by their parents. So, through this system, parents open accounts for their children by meeting birth certificates of the kids and their own care papers. Here, for opening our children account are two parts, also below 10 years and another above 10 years, two up to 18 years. So below 10 years, they are keeping the name. This name is the Pehla Kadam, the man who has passed into the bank, who can write, who can read, or below 10 years. So parents can open account for kids by meeting kids certificate and their own KYC to the bank. And their parents can separate this account. The amount deposit can in this particular account is 5 lakh. And all together in this customer information format, they can deposit to 10 lakhs. That means, apart from this savings account, parents can open a deposit account, deposit account in the kids, but should not be more than 10 lakhs. So, this Pehla Kadam, parents will receive ATM card, checkbook with 10 leaves, the name of the kids, and parent can make transaction through the account. And parents will be able to get internet banking also for the view rights as well as for transaction of small, for making payment of children's fees, cost of book, etc. Now, if those who are already more than 10 years, they also can account either independently or along with what should they have properly? This scheme name is the PLA Udan, who can pay alone. To apply this PLA Udan also, same kind of care document is required. Birth sort of kids, care or those of the independent care documents of the kids, they can opt. And they also eligible to get all the KIM cards, checkbook over there. They can make transaction with same of the PLA account. So this is for the kids. And those kids, those who have still not crossed the 8 years, that means below 8 years, and who does not want to open with their parents, they can open independently by themselves, submitting proper document of KYC. Specifically, PAN card is mandatory, and so this way, for the kids account plan, in the normal account, the proper document is mandatory. At least once obviously valid document, one document like PAN card, Aadhaar card, driver license, passport, like that. So this kind of one document. Type of account is various. So in the bank, basically those who have the salary account, the salary accounts is called salary page taken part. Those have opened salary tax account with our state bank. They're getting some discount services. They're getting extra benefits. They can get free ATM, free book. They can issue free draft. They get free SMS. They can free general banking, that means. Other friends, everywhere is there. In ATM card charges, checkbook, this is there. So, those things are on this account. Better informed of what different there. Parking will be limited. And State Bank, there is a one savings bank account, savings scheme also, and opening savings account for senior citizen also. So extra interest, interest is there. And now I will share one more thing that our State Bank already going to convert into digital, as because there is demand of the government of India as well as instruction of the RBI. Our bank is already adopted digital banking, which is very much benefited now this pandemic situation. Without digital funds, you can do this for your mobile, desktop, or laptop, like that. Even account open can do through the digital in mobile. You will get like anything you need, suppose a service you need bank, you can request through the URLs of apps there. Among them, the famous in the bank app is the YONO. YONO. Form is the only need one. So this all bank transaction, marketing, investment, transfer fund, you can do easily in your own place, in your own gauge. And just before yesterday, BEST initiated one new system, ATM. Those who are need to withdraw money from ATM above 10,000, they will be received one OTP. Without OTP, above 10,000, nobody withdraw money now. It is initiated for the fraud angle, as because a lot of fraudsters starting frauds. Bank is need to take precaution for that for public. Also, now our bank only initiated unless money withdraw from ATM. That means those savings ATM card, they are not ready to use this card to do money. Those saving the YONO. One YONO cash already registered there. So, anyone having YONO which is available can download from this Google Play Store in the mobile. They can get OTP, you get money without using card. So from these functions, bank is giving the very loans. Now I think many people want to know regarding the loans. Many people daily in our office to get loans, to collect information or things like that. Especially for the students we are also giving loans for the study in India. Those who are going to pursue a study, job-oriented, they can come to the bank and make request for education loan. So that category is there in education loan also. And for service holder or generally, bank is in the housing loan also. In housing, I think many people already taken, and many people want to take. Do still not able this house loan and young, that means 21 years to 45 years. I would like to say one important guideline that this category people are getting maximum loan of housing loan. That means 1 to 45, they are getting 1.2 times more loan than users higher as of there. And their repayment is very long periods, 45 to 30 years. As because they are longer period, they can make dilation in repayment of the installment of principal. That means bank is already initiated one system up to 36 months. Those people who are available 21 to 45 years, they can pay installment of principal amount with interest from the 31 month. They are not required to pay in installment of the principal amount during this period. In these 3 years, they need to pay only interest amount applied in the loan. So during this period, if their salary is allowed, they can take another loan, maybe personal loan, for these 36 months, and they get more money to construct their dream house. Yes, because in construction house, lot of money is required. Maximum expenditure is there. So bank is taking care of that, or that these young people do saving the longer period. Now, I'd like to tell something about the social security. I think everybody knows this social security. So security means what? Our protection. How to make a protection of us? If one income earner happens something tomorrow, what will happen to their family? So about to take care of this family, bank has already initiated insurance system. So we have, there already SBI Life company, SBI Life, SBI Insurance, SBI General Insurance. We have already there. So here, particularly, I would like to share one scheme which is called in the bank 5, personal accident benefit. Nowadays, daily it is taking place accident or like that. If those who are having this 5 facility and get accident, their family will get immediately this money. So this money is different money, different coverage there. Maximum coverage is the 5 is 20 lakhs. But to get this protection, one have to invest 1,000 in every year. Or by investing 1,000 in a year, if something happens tomorrow, and small amounts of there. For apart from this, also we have already investments, some schemes there in mutual fund of like that. And in mutual fund, it is like a recurring deposit of the bank, monthly basis, quarterly basis, half-yearly basis, yearly basis. You can make deposit or invest, or one at a time. That means fixed deposit also can do, as like the we are doing in the branches. In the mutual fund also, the system is there. So apart from this also, we have a lot of apps. Our State Bank have a lot of apps. Anyone can download. You can download in your mobile and can use, like YONO SBI or YONO Lite or Bhim SBI Pay or SBI Quick. SBI Quick is very good apps, as because immediately you can see what is the balance of our account without approaching to the banker. That means without visiting to the bank. You can see. And if suppose somebody want to go to the bank and they need to take the queue, to avoid the queue, you can make advance booking in the one serial number by using these apps. So what time you will get a notice. By getting this notice, you can approach the bank. You can visit the bank and do your transaction using these apps. So here, one more government schemes I would like to share. Especially those are working or non-working people. This is very important initiative by the Government of India. As for example, Atol Pension Yojana. This is eligible for service holder as well as the non-service holder. Any citizen can enroll here. But age category is 18 to 40 years. Age should be 18 to 40 years. Then you are eligible to enroll here in this scheme. And every month investment amount is very little, very small. Those who are 18 years only, and their subscription, monthly subscription is only 210 rupees. Anyone can bear this cost. And suppose you are 30 years, you're supposed to have give monthly 515 rupees only till the 60 year of age. When you attain 60 years, like us, suppose we are working in the bank and we have a pension system. When we attain 60 years, we'll get pension. So those who are having this APY, Atol Pension Yojana, and attain 60 years, they are also eligible. 5,000 per month. This 5,000 is the maximum category, as because there are 5 categories there: 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, and 5,000. 5,000 is the highest. Those who want to get this 5,000 per month after 60 years, accordingly they have to invest. Maximum amount per month, those who are 39 years, is the only 1,318 rupees. This is the maximum F. Now, how to get money? After 60 years, you will get 5,000 every month till your death. After your death also, your spouse will be eligible for till their death. Maybe he or she, till that, they are also eligible to get this same amount, 5,000 every month. So, point both enrollment person and spouse have already dead. No more pension is there. But one more corpus amount is there. This corpus amount is eligible by your nominee. For the 5,000 per month pensions, maximum corpus amount is 8,50,000. So one time you will get very beautiful scheme, very benefited. This 500 per month for the 30 years or 40 years, nothing more. So maximum your equated amount is maybe 3 lakhs, 2 lakhs, 1 lakh like that. But you will get benefits around 10 lakh, 20 lakh, 15 lakhs, 17 lakhs like that. So very important. Apart from this also, Government of India having PPF, Public Provident Fund, we are opening for the savings, tax savings, and highest rate of interest is there. Government of India is offering very high rate of interest in the PPF also. Apart from this PPF, Government of India is offering highest rate of interest in the Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, Sukanya Samriddhi account. That means Government of India in 2014 initiated this scheme for the girl child below 10 years. Those savings, girl child less than 10 years, they can approach the bank and can open this account for their girl child. They can make deposits like a PPF. Maximum amount is the 1,50,000 per annum. And minimum is 500 per annum. And rate of interest the height. Apart from this, also Government of India having Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Yojana. That means insurance schemes, which is annually 330 rupees and cover is 2 lakhs. Any death, you are eligible. Apart from this, also Government of India having one more insurance scheme. This is Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. It is in case of only accident, like a State Bank's 5. The people who are 17 to 70 years, 18 to 70 years, they are eligible. And annual subscription amount is only 12 rupees. only 12 rupees coverage rate 2 lakhs. I don't know how many you know, recently one accident took place near to CIT. One CIT students, girl students has debt. If insurance they are spending by 12 rupees per annum, they are eligible for this 2 lakhs from government of India. If this kind of people having PI scheme, they are eligible as per their subscription amount. So this is regarding the government schemes. So our state banks, you know very well that now we are going through the green banking. That means we do not like to use more papers. So we are restricted already the consumption of these papers. Any hard copy PIN or ATM it is depends who have received this to go to the ATM booth to get the or to generate the PIN. So they are not required to visit the bank branches. So this green banking, we have already green channel counter is there where customer does not require to submit withdrawal form or no need to write withdrawal or no need to sign anywhere any paper to get the withdrawal. By putting their time impression, they will get the money. And apart from this, such a bank having, we are maintaining our cash deposit machine. I think everyone knows it. The machine where nobody is there, no or withdraw money like ATM. Below 50,000 you can deposit. In your account, or you can send to anyone's accounts, cash. Nobody is there, no personnel there. Here, through this forum, my humble request to everyone, those having any issue regarding financials, especially for the State Bank, you can visit to us. We are always open for all of you. Please come to our bank branch and get done to your job. Any problem, you can report to us. And my special request to those people coming from the other country, those that don't have any account in the India, they can open in the State Bank. We are opening another account for the students. So it is humble request to all of you. And last, I would like to share more things about the YONO ISDA. It is called Lifestyles and Banking Dono. We are giving the one slogan. So this YONO, you can open an account, you can transfer funds, you can make requests, check, ATM, internet banking, whatever required to you. You can check anytime, any moment, how much balance in your account, any fraudulent has doing in your account, or you can make invest anywhere, maybe SBI Life, maybe SBI General, maybe mutual fund. Here, I also like to share regarding the SBI General, we are doing insurance for the loan, 5 personal accident insurance, and vehicle insurance, property insurance. We are doing through this scheme. So my request is that through this forum, that anyone's any report this kind of services, you can approach to us. And I'd like to say something regarding the contribution of the State Bank to the rural people, as because this program is initiated by Business and Engineering College, Doctors Nelson Ronghang, Smart Village, by interventions and visible solution. Our contributions very memorable, as because we are always with the poor people. For the benefit of these rural people, we have already opened small customer service point. They can open their account there. They can make withdraw money. Any information of the bank they can collect from there without visiting the situated in the power plant. Contribution of the State Bank is not less compared to the others in regard to the contribution to the villagers. So, thank you all of you. So, at the last, I would like to give once again my heartiest thanks to Dr. Nelson Ronghang and entire teams of these programs. And I also like to give my heartiest thanks to those students who are listening to me. And I would like to thank those who are joined in these programs, learners, professors, teachers, speakers. And lastly, I'm very sorry due to the program was delayed in the beginning. So thank you. Thank you, Ronghang.
Sir, yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for allowing our participant to know about the bank policy and scheme for the people, especially to the rural community. I really appreciate that in spite of your tight schedule and a very
any question from anyone?
Yes, in a very weak network, you have try to give the best effort you can. So, participant, I would like to request if you have any question to Mr. Narzary, you are please requested to me unmute yourself, or you can use the chat box to please ask the question.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Hello,
sir.
coming.
So,
Hello.
yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is
yes,
it
sir.
audible?
So, yeah, audible, sir. Audible.
Hello.
Yes, yes, it is.
Audible. Yes. Anybody have any query?
Yes, yes. I'll read out a question for you. Okay, I request. Okay, not this one. This one. Okay, banking come under the service sector. Are you keeping the money of the common people and get benefited by
Okay.
that?
I think nobody have.
So there is.
Leave this program.
So there is
Thank you.
one.
Thank you, Ronghang.
Sir, there is a question, sir. Hello. Probably a network is not clear.
Thank you. Voice is coming.
Yes, sir. Voice is not clear. So, gentlemen, sorry, Nagarajan sir. So, am I audible, sir? Nagarajan sir, am I audible?
Hello.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
Sir. Hello.
Sir,
banking is a
network issue.
sector.
Yeah, Professor Nagarajan, so probably the network issue is there, so I could not hear. Anyhow, sir, I'll pass this message in a WhatsApp. So as soon as I can, I'll share you in a WhatsApp number, sir. Hello, sir, Nagarajan, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir. I'm audible, and probably you are also audible to my voice. But the speaker has a little bit network issue.
Okay, no problem, sir. No problem.
That's why. So as soon as, sir, I get this one, so I'll share it to you. I'll get in your WhatsApp. So your question is really very interesting. So let him answer, because I'm not aware of this. How to
Okay, sir.
take what you're expecting. Okay, sir.
Sir, I asked the question only for the benefit of the common people, like
Yeah,
yourself
sir.
and myself.
Right, sir. Right, sir. I understood, sir.
Because our deposits are fetching lower interest, but they are getting a higher
Right.
interest from us.
Right, sir. Right, sir. Right, sir. Right, sir. This is how the bank are making money, and that's there. So, nevertheless, sir, I will. I'm not into that policy and also I don't know, but let him answer. So, I'll forward your question to him as soon as I get the
Okay,
reply
sir.
from him. So that you know, I'll pass to your WhatsApp number, sir.
Okay, no problem, sir. Thanks a lot.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, thank you, sir, because
Sir.
this is really required, you know, and all the participants, you know, I'm very happy, and I'm also, you know, making a sincere apology that because of a technical thing, you know, a network issue and all, we could not hear him properly. So that's why,
Yes, sir.
sorry again, and thank you for being so peaceful. So please share this feedback form. It's shared already. It's given in
Okay,
the
sir.
chat. Please, yeah, fill it. And so next session is, I think, maybe we'll start by, when is the next session? Hilal?
So it's in 11:30.
Okay, 11:30. So half
But
an
by
hour is there.
11:20, I request everyone to join. I'm giving the meeting link in the group now.
Yes, yes. So please, this is the last day. So far so good. So only the last day is the last session is there. So kindly bear with us. All the difficulty and challenges, what we were there together, we will move it. So thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. See you in the morning, another couple of hours from now. Thank you so much. Bye bye.